welcome to Cooking Conspiracy as we do a Boulevardier tonight. Ooh, French. Actually, that's not that French. Because Aperol is Italian. We got a lemon. And we're going to get a peel off of it. Let's go ahead, clean this up a little bit. Alright, set that off to the side. Alright, we're gonna make the drink in the glass. So let's get a couple nice pieces of ice in there. 1 ounce bourbon. One ounce sweet vermouth. Now the recipe calls for Campari, but I prefer Aperol. It's a little less bitter, a little bit more to my taste. So 1 ounce Aperol. I mean, Aperol is, you know, Italian something or other, I don't know. But equal parts bourbon, Aperol, sweet vermouth. Now let's give it a stir, gentle stir there. Now, I don't know how people twist those and get them to stay, so I'm just going to throw the lemon peel in there. Maybe poke it down. There you go. This is a sipper, folks.